Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by equipping darts and moving immediately to a safe customization point. Open the inventory, select the throwable slot, and assign the dart. Once done, walk to a save shrine or any armor/weapon customization NPC so you can change loadouts without interruption. Make sure to have at least one dart in your pouch. If you don't, craft or buy more. This avoids losing progress. You're now set to modify dart type or swap them out while keeping your current hotbar intact. You'll now change the actual dart type. Open the equipment screen and focus on the ranged throwable slot. Once there, pick from blinding, smoke, or armor-piercing darts depending on your tactic. Each has a distinct purpose. Blinding stuns, smoke conceals, armor-piercing penetrates. After selection, confirm the swap so the new dart replaces the old one in your hotbar. If you want to preserve resource counts, double-check how many darts are consumed when crafting or buying before finalizing the change. Finish by testing the dart in a low-risk encounter or against a practice target. Throw one to confirm effect and animation. If the dart fails to appear or the wrong type is equipped, return to a recent save and redo the equip process. Sometimes UI glitches require a reload. Make sure inventory counts reflect your expected stock, and if darts are missing, visit a vendor to craft or repurchase. If problems persist, restart the game to clear temporary state and repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.